girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Let's play a little just between you and I be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Chamberlain and Robert, but either way the objective is the same, to please and entertain. Baby, my big son, my bed will be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Delivering a captivating performance every time. Why not be reactive? Pull out all the stops. You can pick the scene if I can pick the props. You love our classroom, my office, masquerade expert, an office. We can play the objective. Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same experience, love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me, low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. Have to force it, have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look at jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you fail.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb, I'm trying to detonate it. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiatos. When shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your speaker or ignorant with perks. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Black drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a mine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know if I keep sick on these. Don't know. Let me teach you all the sounds of love. Baby, this was for you.
Met you in Houston, but you from Atlanta, New York, Pennsylvania, something. Fuck all the noise, you hot, you know this. You make it easy to blow this, you know this. Working the ass for me, shit like a glass for me. It's like I knew what I liked. I'm running over. 6 tips off you and that chick. Tryna get you wet like a plant bitch, I need all. Yo, love right now, always. Just I don't wanna got paid. Baby girl, you got options and I regret. You know you got options, baby. Yeah, you got options, baby. No, you got options, baby. What is an option, baby? Fuck dog and kisses, baby. This is for my real bitches. I know you got options.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Ashimary Hair, and today I'm reviewing this amazing unit, you guys. Like, this is probably one of my current favorite units, like out of everything that I have or had in the past couple of months. This is literally my favorite, and the reason is because the texture alone is so beautiful, but it also has a lot of space on this unit because this is a true frontal unit. You know, a lot of times when we get these units, they don't give you a full frontal. They typically give you what I call a horseshoe frontal, which they give you very minimal space on the side, majority of the space in the middle. So when it comes to styling those kind of units, you're very limited on the options that you actually have. But a unit like this, you can literally do any and everything with. So today, you guys, I am reviewing this 13x6 HD lace unit from Ashimary Hair. This is their loose deep wave texture, and I do currently have it in 30 inches, you guys. First of all, y'all already know I love a good long curly unit. So this is me all day, every day. But the thing that I love the most about it is the parting space on it, because as you guys can see, I was able to get a little bit more creative today. And today I just did like this 3-part like triangle part like ponytail vibe. And the thing about it is I was actually just supposed to be doing 2, but I mismeasured when I did like my center part when I was on the mannequin head. But when I put the unit on, like these 2 were on this side, so I was like, well, I got enough space to put another one over here, so that's what I did, and that's how I came up with this style. Anyway, it worked out perfectly for me because I really like how this looks. You know what I really wish that I had though, and I'm just gonna go online and just like order a bunch of like hair accessories, because I would have loved to put like 3 little butterfly clips right here, or some kind of clips on my ponytail just to help define them. Maybe like even like those little pom-pom balls or something there, or maybe even like colored rubber bands so that it like stands out. So I gotta go do some shopping, but nonetheless, this is how the unit turned out, and it looks absolutely amazing. I love the texture, and it's very lightweight as well. It's not like a very heavy unit. These kind of units are my favorite to wear during the summertime because they are very lightweight, they're more breathable, they look very exotic, and they're lower on the maintenance scale. When you have curlier hair, those units tend to require a lot of maintenance. They tend to tangle and shed more. Units like these don't shed and tangle like how the Jerry curly textures do. So I love that about it. And yeah, as you guys can see, I just did like some cute little like triangle parts or whatever, and then I did put some concealer in the parts just to help them stand out a little bit more. And I did correct the over bleached parts with the Clairol Root Corrector pen. But I am going to come up a little bit closer so you guys can get a good look at this unit. And the other thing that I want to mention before I do that is that I really do like the lace in this unit. They did an amazing job with the lace in this unit. It melted perfectly. I didn't have to use an elastic band or anything like that, although I definitely could have. And you guys saw like even prior to like putting these little swoops right here, which I don't really consider to be baby hair, but yeah. But before I put these little swoops right here, you guys already saw that the lace was definitely melted. It definitely was giving, and I really like that about this unit. So if you want a unit that is actually going to look more on the natural side and not have such a harsh line of demarcation, that also works for different skin. Okay, so now that we're up close and personal, you guys can get a better look at today's style. I just really love this look, you guys. And the great thing about it is, like, if you don't want all of your hair in your face, this is the perfect style for you, because technically all the hair is supposed to go towards the back. So let me turn to the side for y'all so y'all can see. Like, technically this is the vibe. So pretty, so sleek, love it. And like I said, the lace on this unit is bomb. You know, if I pull my hair behind my ear here, you guys can see there's like no line of demarcation or anything like that. Even like this part here, if I pull the hair back, you guys can see. Definitely give a natural vibe. So if you don't want to add baby hairs, you definitely don't have to do that. It's completely optional, which is great, because some units you get them and you have no choice but to add the baby hair because the lace look crazy. Like I told you guys, this unit is a 30-inch unit. You guys know how much I love a long unit. I am 5'2" for reference, so I'm gonna go ahead and stand up so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. So yeah, this is where it's hitting me in the front. Long, beautiful hair. Here's an up close look at that texture. Just absolutely amazing, you guys. Really love this one. Pretty. You did. Like, can we get into it? Like, look at my parts. They look so good. Really like this one, you guys. Yeah, the density for this unit is 180% density, which is perfect. They do have thicker densities available, so if you want something a little bit more fuller, then you can definitely opt for that. But I do have mine in 180% density, and this is all of the hair up front, by the way. It's the perfect density for me. I don't like my units, like when I have units like this, I don't want them too full, and I don't want them too thin. It's like right there in the middle. So yeah, this works perfectly for me. And like I said, this is a 13x6 full frontal, okay? So that's why the parting is so deep. You guys can see it goes back pretty far. I even have some hair parted here to like cover my tracks and everything, but the parting space goes back so far, which I love, which allows you to do, you know, a style like this, or really any style that you want. Same thing on the sides. It's not like tracks are all up in here. Like, the tracks don't start until back here. Let me see. This part, like, it's way back here behind my ear, instead of it being like, you know, so you get all of this space. So yeah. And that's that, honey. So yeah, you guys, this is officially the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by liking this video. And also drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on today's look. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know what your favorite hair texture is. This is the loose deep wave texture. Loose deep wave is definitely my personal favorite texture out of everything. Loose deep wave, water wave, pretty much anything with the wave. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.